Hello everyone, welcome to the third video of this series. We're building a web application with Django. If you want to know what we're building, you can go to the previous videos. Don't forget to subscribe, give a like, leave a comment, any suggestions, anything. So let's dive right into it. Chapter 3, homepage. So for the homepage, so every time that we want to create a page, there is a process, and the process is this is a process that this is my process, in other words. So I create a URL, I create a view, and then I create a template. You don't have to do it in that order. You can do it in any way you want to, and there's many ways to do all of these. So just stick to one, I guess, the one that you like the most. So let's go to the listings page. I mean to the example folder, which is the project folder. You go to URLs. Here I already included, so let's just delete this because I had to re-record these again. I mean, I'm re-recording this again. I didn't connect the mic again. So this is how the file would look, and like this. You can see it on the right as well. So let's just add. So we need to add a new. We need to add this include. So we need to import that because we're gonna use it to include the URL for our app. So our app is called listings. So we need to include all the URLs of that app, of the listings app. So here you just do this because it's the home page, it's the index. So it's like so you don't need like slash something because it's the home page. Alright, so let's do this. This is the URL. Alright, don't forget the comma. Then just save that. So once you save that, you should get an error here that says no module name, no listings found. So Django is trying to find the URLs of this app, but we haven't set it up, so it's not gonna find anything now. Here's just an explanation. So what we need to do is go to the listings directory and create a new file. That's gonna be called urls.py. And so now once you have that, the homepage URL, so that's the first thing that we create, so you don't have anything in the file. So let's see. So we're just gonna do this import and then just add this code. So we're just gonna import the path because we need that to include the URL, and we also need the views. So we need to import the views, even though we don't have any right now. We still need to include it for now. So you need to put the name of the app so that Django can find it. Otherwise, it won't find it. Alright, path. So once again, it's just gonna match the URL, which is like the index, the homepage URL. So we don't need to include anything. So we don't need like a slash admin or anything like that for this, since it's the index or the homepage. Alrighty. So just include this code. I'm missing an S here. Alright, so just include this code and then save. So after you do the URL, then you go to views.py to do the, again, it's already here because I already did it. Go to views and you should have nothing here. Shouldn't even have this. So it would be something like this, a file like this. So now we're gonna copy the code. Alright. And now let's include the view. So this is how you include the view. It's just a regular view. It's not doing anything but just rendering the template. So for this view, we're just gonna render the template that we're telling it to be rendered here, which is the index HTML. Alright. So this is the template that's gonna be rendered by this view. So now we go to the homepage template. So to do this, for Django to find the templates of an app, we need to create a folder in the listings directory called templates. And inside that, so here you have the instructions. Create a folder called templates inside the listings directory. We did that. And inside that templates folder, we need to create another folder. Oh, whoa, what happened? Create another folder called listings, which is gonna be the same name as the app name. And inside that folder, you're gonna create your templates. In this case, index.html for the homepage. So you can see here the folder tree. And open index.html and add this code. So this is just code that I had. So it doesn't have to be h3, it could be any tags. Alright. And here, alright, just automatically create closes the tags. Alright, so once we have that, let's stop the server, Control C. Yeah. And then let's just run it again. So now if we go to the home page, so we were doing the admin last chapter. So if you go here, you can see the template, which is it says bike finder. This is the home page. You can change, and let's say that's a different, it's a house finder or something like that. You can you don't have to do a Python to manage the py, the run server. You can just refresh the page. Alright, and if you want to add like a different, another paragraph, subscribe. Alright, you see it here. Okay, so that's how you create a page in Django. In this case, the home page. And I think that's all for this chapter. It's a short chapter as well. You can see the quiz here if you want to take a look at that, the challenge, then the answer here. Right, and then we go on to chapter 4, and that would be for the next video. So if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. I'll try to answer to the best of my abilities. And just let me know if you can see the code. I think you can see it, right? I could, yeah, it's gonna stay the same size though. So, yeah, just let me know any suggestions, anything that you, future tutorials that you would like me to do. I'll do them just after I finish this series. And just stick around for more. Thank you.